In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at oral hygiene.
Good oral hygiene involves keeping your mouth clean and disease-free through regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. Family dentist Dr. Mark Edwards says children should start dental visits as young as 2 years old.
Even if they need some help at times, because the plaque that remains on the teeth will lead to cavities, early loss of teeth. And for some children, once they lose their teeth and they lose the smile, it affects their self-confidence and everything else. Plaque is that mineralized sticky substance that comes from food that has bacteria in it, and that's what you need to remove. And if it's not removed, it can mineralize and form into calculus or tartar.
Oral health issues can affect anyone regardless of age. Common warning signs include bleeding gums, toothaches, swollen jaws, and mouth sores.
You also get bad breath. Once the teeth are lost, your chewing ability is decreased. In terms of the elderly and the cancer patients, as we said, it also affects the heart. And those with heart disease, you really need to keep the oral cavity clean.
Persons should also avoid smoking. In the meantime, Dr. Edwards suggests visiting the dentist twice a year. When selecting a toothbrush, opt for one with soft bristles. And for those in need, alternative oral care options are available.
Chew stick is a natural method that also works. Just as with young children where they use the wash rag, as long as the plaque is removed from the teeth by any means necessary, that's what works. Because the chew stick is somewhat almost like the bristles of the toothbrush, and it stimulates salivary flow, which also helps with maintaining good oral hygiene.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.